isn't a private jet, and isn't a billionaire's mansion. It's a motorhome. Inside this vehicle are features so advanced, so outrageous, that some five-star hotels can't compete with them. A moving spa, a cinema on wheels, a home that literally expands at the press of a button. And once you see what's hidden inside this motorhome, your idea of travel will completely change. This is luxury taken too far. Step inside, and the first thing you notice isn't what you see, it's what you don't hear. No engine noise, no road vibration, no outside chaos. As the door closes, the world disappears. Advanced multi-layer insulation and sound-deadening materials transform this moving vehicle into a silent luxury lounge. Even at highway speeds, the interior feels calmer than most luxury apartments. You're traveling fast, yet it feels completely still. Now look up, because this ceiling is alive. With a single command, the roof elevates, revealing a panoramic glass skylight. Sunlight pours in, instantly changing the mood of the entire space. And when night arrives, the glass transforms into a digital sky, recreating stars, galaxies, and calming animations designed for deep relaxation. The sky inside your motorhome changes based on your mood. That alone feels unreal. Welcome to the living area. At first glance, it looks simple, clean, minimal, but almost nothing here is fixed. The sofa extends automatically into a luxury lounge bed. The coffee table rises, widens, and converts into a full dining table. Entire wall panels slide open, revealing storage compartments hidden behind seamless surfaces. Nothing wastes space. Nothing feels crowded. This interior adapts to you every single time. And these walls, they're not walls. They're intelligent surfaces. Touch-sensitive panels allow you to control lighting, temperature, window tint, privacy glass, and entertainment zones instantly. The windows darken at the press of a button, turning daylight into total privacy, even in public places. No switches, no clutter, just silent luxury responding to touch. Then there's something you never expect to see inside a vehicle. A fireplace. Built directly into the wall, this sleek electric fireplace provides real warmth, ambient glow, and a feeling of home even while moving. Fire, comfort, and calm. Inside a motorhome traveling down the highway. That moment alone feels impossible. Now step into the kitchen. Isn't an RV kitchen. This is a professional luxury cooking space designed for movement. Marble countertops, hidden induction cooktops, soft close cabinetry. The refrigerator intelligently manages power sources, switching automatically between driving mode, battery mode, and solar energy. You can cook, store food, and live comfortably, completely off-grid for days. Everything stays silent, balanced, secure. Even on rough roads. Behind one panel sits a built-in espresso machine. Another reveals a wine fridge. Another hides a dishwasher. Nothing is visible unless you want it to be. Luxury here isn't about showing off. It's about disappearing when unnecessary. And forget everything you associate with RV bathrooms. This is a spa. Heated floors, backlit mirrors, hotel-level rainfall shower systems with multiple pressure modes. The toilet is full-size, ceramic, vacuum-assisted, and self-cleaning. No compromises, no shortcuts. This is hotel luxury without the hotel. The bedroom is where reality bends. At first, it feels elegant and calm. Then the walls expand. Hydraulic systems extend the room outward, instantly creating space that shouldn't exist inside a vehicle. The bed slides, the lighting softens, and suddenly this motorhome feels wider than many apartments. Above the bed, a hidden cinema screen descends. Your bedroom becomes a private theater. Surround sound speakers are embedded into the walls. Subwoofers are hidden beneath the floor. Every surface is acoustically tuned. Movies don't just play here, they surround you. And when it's over, everything disappears again. Nothing breaks the calm. Now step into the cockpit. This isn't a driver's seat, it's a command center. Digital dashboards, night vision, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control. And lane assist systems work together to make long journeys effortless. The seat massages you as you drive. The steering wheel adjusts automatically. Even control of the motorhome systems can be accessed remotely from anywhere inside. Power isn't a concern here. Solar panels, lithium batteries, and intelligent energy management allow full independence from campsites. Air conditioning, lighting, entertainment, all running without being plugged in. This motorhome doesn't follow the grid. K escapes it, and that's the most insane part of all. Despite everything you've seen, this is still a vehicle. Your home moves with you. Your comfort follows you. Your freedom has no fixed address. This isn't just an RV. It's the future of travel, and it's already on the road.